Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever been confused on what to use between present perfect and past perfect? Like, what's the difference between these two? Have, had, have, what to use, right? Well, you're not alone. Many of English learners struggle with the same thing. That's why I'm here to help you to enhance your understanding in using both of these tenses. Let's start the discussion. First, let's talk about the functions of present perfect and past perfect tense. Well, when should we use both of them? Here it is. Some of you might question, unspecified time, what does it mean? Well, it's basically the unspecific time in the past. I will write them here for you. Anyway, based on the function, can you spot the difference between these two? Yep, it's the time. In present perfect, an activity happened in the past and still continues up to the present. But past perfect happened in the past and stopped in the past as well. There is also a statement that we use this to explain an activity that happened before another one took place in the past time. This means usually there be a following sentence after or before past perfect sentence, kind of mixed function of grammar feature. And past perfect is usually combined with past simple. Take a look at this example. This means an activity of editing happened before a thought of quality of the video. Get it? Now let's check out the structure of both tenses. Here they are, peeps. From the formula, basically they look the same, right? The only difference is the use of have and had. So keep it in mind, don't mix it up. Alright, after knowing the function and structure, why don't we try to identify what tenses go on this blank? The first sentence, what can we apply on this? Is it has, have, or had? You got it! It's I had lost my keys. Do you know why? Yes, it's because this person lost his or her keys first before they couldn't drive a car. Okay, now why don't we try to answer these questions? Remember, don't get mixed up. So, as usual, do you know what time is it? Yes, it's question time. So please answer these following questions and give it a shot. All the best! Well, how was it, guys? Good, you nailed it! On the next video, let's talk about combining tenses. Let's learn together. If you want to learn together with us, please consider to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell below so you don't miss any updates from us. Till next time!